Education is one of the blessing of life and one of its necessities. My dear friends, my dear people, we must work, not wait, not just the politician in the leaders. We all need to contribute. Me, you, we. It is our duty. We realize the importance of life. When we see darkness, we realize the importance of our eyes. When we are silenced in the same way, when we were in search and found a truth, we realize the importance of pens and books. When we saw the guns, why is it that countries which we call strong are so powerful in creating wars but are so very weak in bringing peace? Why is it that giving guns is so easy but giving books is so hard? Why is it? Why is it that making thanks is so easy but building school is so hard? One child, one teacher, one pen, one book can change the world. Education is the only solution. Education first.